Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Camry oil. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have new engine oil and a fresh oil filter. Always use the correct oil viscosity, typically 5W30, for your specific Camry model to ensure optimal engine performance and longevity. Having everything prepared makes the process smooth and efficient. Next, safely lift your Camry using a jack and secure it firmly with jack stands for safety. Never work under a car supported only by a jack. Locate the oil drain plug on the oil pan, which is typically found underneath the engine. Place your drain pan directly beneath the plug to catch the old oil. Carefully remove the drain plug and allow all the old oil to drain completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Now, remove the old oil filter using an oil filter wrench. Be prepared for a small amount of oil to drip out. Apply a thin layer of new engine oil to the rubber gasket of your new oil filter. Hand tighten the new oil filter until it is snug, then turn it an additional 3/4 of a turn. Finally, reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer, tightening it to the manufacturer's specified torque, usually around 30 foot-pounds. Finally, locate the oil fill cap on top of your engine. Carefully pour the recommended amount of new engine oil into the fill opening, typically around 4.5 to 5 quarts. Replace the cap. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes, then check underneath for any leaks. Turn off the engine, wait about 10 minutes for the oil to settle, and then check the oil level with the dipstick, ensuring it is between the minimum and maximum marks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.